Victorian Tiles Cleaning Penkhull. Before I started the Victorian tiles cleaning, I spent some time protecting the walls and floors. The hall had been recently decorated, and it was necessary to protect the skirtings and painted walls. Next, I vacuumed the floor thoroughly to remove any grit or dry soil. Victorian floors shouldn't be soaked with large amounts of chemicals or water, because excess water can cause damage to the substrate and even structural damage. In sections and applied our Victorian tiles cleaning solution. During cleaning, we used as little liquid as possible, and the cleaning slurry was removed as soon as possible. Then, I used a rotary scrubbing machine with proprietary cleaning pads to remove the dirt and prevent any damage to the tile. I used a powerful wet vacuum to remove the slurry and rinse water. I left the floor to dry. I repeated this until all soil was gone and any remaining sealer residues had been removed. You can see how the earth-colored tiles looked faded. This is because the surface of the tiles were worn, exposing the lighter, inner part of the tile. The floor was now ready for sealing.